Tangled web of court paperwork keeping people in public guardianship in Missouri. We've told you about the families fighting to get out of guardianship across the Show Me State.
We also heard from one woman who fought for years to escape her paper prison of public guardianship. Now KMBC 9 Investigates is holding the powerful accountable as a public guardian appears in court.
Sullivan County Public Administrator Joan Brummett is facing 8 felonies. Investigative reporter Matt Fleener is in Milan, Missouri for her first appearance in court today.
Here at the Sullivan County Courthouse on Wednesday, a woman who has worked as an elected official for more than 20 years here in that very building faced a judge.
If you could help me understand the charges against you. Anything you want to pass along to the public?
Public Administrator Joan Brummett referring questions to her attorney Wednesday as she faces 8 felony counts. Brummett was entrusted by voters to take care of wards of the state in Sullivan County. Prosecutors say 4 separate times Brummett moved money from a ward's bank account to hers, totaling nearly $6,000. Since she declined to comment, we spoke with her attorney about the charges she's facing.
Thanks to a lot of the legal TV shows, we want to know why. Why did this happen? Why did the state charge her? And so some of that we look at to potentially explain, even though we're not required to. I'm not naive enough to not to know that we have to have some answers somewhere, and we'll do that.
Brummett's office was closed on Wednesday, but she is still in charge of wards of the state as she has not been removed from office. However, she is limited on moving money.
Under the bond conditions, and certainly because of these charges, the court really suspended her authority, which is understandable, which from my perspective, that's great, because I don't want any other allegations coming up that anything's done.
Brummett is due back in that second-floor courtroom here in Milan in January. We'll be here to cover it. In Sullivan County, Missouri, Matt Fleener, KMBC 9 News.
And this is one case we're following in a new series called Paper Prisons, exploring problems and solutions for Missouri's public guardianship system. You can watch more of our Paper Prisons series right now at KMBC.com. Click on the Investigates tab.